Hi guys, and welcome to day 11 of take 5, all right? 5 minutes today, I got a special treat, 5-minute plank. Don't worry, we got different variations. Clock goes in 3, 2, let's start at the top of that push-up. All right, so core is tight, belly is in, and you're having fun, you feel good, all right? Right here, we're just focusing on getting comfortable. Maybe you walk your hands, I'm gonna go under my shoulders and then in front of my shoulders. And we're still in plank, we just got a little bit of movement. So see how my hands are going slightly in front, slightly back. If your wrists hurt at all, just turn your hands out some, spread your fingers nice and wide, make sure the pressure isn't fully in the wrist. Good, now hold center, and then let's go to that right arm. So you're gonna feed the feet to the right, and then you're gonna raise your left arm up to the sky. Good, start to feel your core engage here. Super duper strong, 3, 2, come back to high plank. Nice. Belly is tight, you're strong, how you doing? All right, guys, it's under 5 minutes, that's all we got. Left side, okay? Put your hand down, raise your right arm up. Again, side plank. Super strong. If you do a lot of yoga, you do a lot of side plank. If not, get used to that pressure on your shoulder and elbow. Make sure your elbow has a micro bend. Come back to plank. Good, let's go to forearm plank for the first time. So we put one forearm down and then the other. All right, palms touch if you want. And then exhale, hold, freeze, use your belly. Your legs should be active in forearm plank, not just your upper body, not just your stomach, okay? Right forearm shift, left arm take it up. Good, super strong here. Firm, firm stomach, keep reaching, 3, 2, and now put your left forearm down. Good, easy peasy. All right, guys, you're almost 2 minutes in. We go the left in 3, 2, bring your right arm up. Good. So again, once we hit that 2-minute mark, that means we only have 3 minutes left to go, which is what you got right now. Super easy, it will take us to the end. Come back to forearm plank, good. Now, belly is tight, core is working, heels are reaching back, chest is reaching forward. Let's transition, high plank, right hand, left hand. Good. So keep your stomach away from the ground, keep your core tight. Drop your feet to the right. Drop your feet to the left. Now drop your feet to the right again, raise your left arm up to the sky. Good. 4, 3, 2, put your left hand down. All right, feet go left. Feet go right, now feet go left, raise that right arm up. Shakes, maybe, that's good. Stay with me, 3, 2, high plank. Nice work. Now put your left forearm down and then your right. This time, keep your hands flat, okay? So belly is pulling in, guess what? 2 minutes left on your clock and counting down. 3, 2, side plank to the right. Good, so when you're under that 2-minute marker, guys, we can do this. We have a strong, strong core. You are fit. Good, one more breath. Come back to center. Exhale, fight it, fight it, fight it. Left side, good. Right arm rises. We're almost at that 90-second marker. How are you doing? Good, right? Maybe stack those feet. 3, 2, right forearm comes back down. Now, under 90, okay? That's it. Freeze. Hold that belly tight. Press back up. High plank, right hand, left hand. I just did an upper body workout, and now I'm filming this for you guys. And I'm not gonna lie, I'm burning a little. Right hand, raise the left arm up. Stack the feet. Good. 3, 2, left hand down. Woo! We got 1 minute, kids. Right arm up, stack those feet. Good job. 3, 2, high plank. Nice. Walk the hands out. Walk the hands in. Alternate. Out, in. Watch your butt. Don't let it shake too much, okay? Out and in. Yes, yes, yes. 3, 2, one more, and 1. Good. Exhale, forearms down. One and then the other, make fist. Push down into those forearms. Core is tight. You have less than 30 seconds. Hold this so firm. Let's go to the right. Left arm up, stack your feet. 3, 2, put your left forearm down. Good. Let's go to the left. Stack those feet. 4, 3, 2, high plank, right hand, left hand. Come on, guys, this is it. This is your final count. Freeze, freeze. Yes, you've got this. Your back feels good. Your butt isn't sagging. Done. Woo! Way to go. Killed it today. I'll see you tomorrow for day 12. Bye, guys.